Hello and welcome dear student, this side Princey, your teacher. So today we will discuss about our topic cell, okay. So the subject is science and the topic is cell. Here I will brief you about the cell, what is the importance of the cell and what characters that does the cell have, what are the component of the cell, what is the discovery of the cell. Okay, so these are some questions. On the behalf of these questions I will explain you about the cell. So first question is why should we study cells. So actually in the ancient time cell was the uh, starting, actually origin of life. We can say that the life was originated within a cell. So cell is very prominent structure in our body. Actually our body is made up of cell. So we should study the cell. Okay, next what is the question, what is cell? Actually cell is the basic unit of life. You can say that the life starts within the cell. The living reactions happens within the cell which makes us living. We are made up of cells. So the basic character of a living is called a cellular structure. So if your body is made up of cell, living cell, you are living. So plants are also living. Unicellular organism, they have also a cellular structure, they are also living, and we are multicellular organisms, so we are living. Hence we have the cellular structure. So cell is actually basic unit of life. We have the cell, so we are living and do various works. Okay, next thing is, on the behalf of the cell, there are two type of organisms. One is multicellular organism and second one is unicellular organism. Unicellular organism has single cell structure and multicellular organism, as we are, have various cells. Okay, millions of cells our body have. Okay, next thing is discovery of cell. So discovery of cell in 1838, actually it was a scientist, he was a zoologist, Matthias Scleden. Matthias Scleden was a zoologist. Because he was a zoologist, he discovered a cell within a animal body. And next year 1839, a German botanist, he was a botanist, he discovered a cell within a plant. Both the scientists uh, summarize their theories and make a cell theory. So the cell theory describe you about how cells are made up of. So cells made up of pre-existing cell. That means cell reproduce itself or divide itself and make new cells. Okay, next question is type of cell. So cell have various component within the cell. Okay, cell have various components called organelles. So on the behalf of organelles, they are single membraned or double membrane. There are two type of cell. You can say if the cell have because cell have a organelle called nucleus, is called center of the cell. So nucleus is if double membrane bounded. So this is called eukaryotic cell that have true nucleus. Okay, double membrane well developed nucleus. So it is called eukaryotic cell. And next one is prokaryotic cell that has not any boundary within the cell organelles. So this is called prokaryotic cell. So here is the overview of the cell. The cell components within the cell is called cell organelles. In the center, here is a nucleus. In the nucleus, this is the chromatin thread. You can see here. This is the chromatin thread. This is nucleolus where mRNA is synthesized. Chromatin threads transfer the genetic information to the next generation. And this is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, here is ribosome is present. Ribosomes makes proteins, and due to presence of ribosome, this is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is called RER. If ribosome is not present, this is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is called SER. And here is Golgi body, here protein modifications are done, and the waste product of the cell by the metabolic reactions, the wastage is engulfed by the lysosome. So here is all about overview of the cell. This is plasma membrane that bound the cell organelles, all the components of the cell, and all the organelles, cell organelles actually are swims or are in the semi-fluid material, that is called cytoplasm. So here all within the cell in the plasma membrane semi-fluid material is spread out, that is called cytoplasm. So I think you all understood well this topic. Thank you so much.